Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the political science first chapter, the problems of India and their solutions. Once upon a time, India is the best example for Vishwaguru. India is the first largest country in the world in culture-wise, the second largest country in the world in population growth-wise, the seventh largest country in the world in extinction-wise, the fourth largest country in the world in defense-wise, the third largest country in the world in economical growth-wise. This is the data. Once upon a time, India is the Vishwaguru. Okay, but India also facing so many problems. We are facing so many problems. Okay, what are the problems we are facing? What are the problems we are facing? How to solve that problem? Okay, this is the main task of the India. See, first the problems of India and their solution. The problems of India. What are the problems we are facing? Is an unemployment, discrimination, on the basis of gender, on the basis of caste, on the basis of religion, on the basis of birth, on the basis of color. Okay, color-based discrimination, caste-based discrimination, gender-based discriminations, like that. And third point is corruption and communalism and terrorism and last but not least, corporate strategies. These are all the main problems we are all facing. First, we are going to discuss about the introduction of the problems of India and their solutions. India has faced numerous external and internal problems in 1947. These problems have to be managed through the effects of administration to support of citizens in needed for our democratic governments at the central, state and local level. The India is the best example for the democratic country. Okay, it is the first largest democratic country. Okay, for example, what is it? According to the 14th expression of America, Abraham Lincoln tell like this: by the people, for the people, of the people. This is also called better democracy, where the people of India, okay, is the main source of the democracy. Okay, that's but the second largest country in the world in population growth wise. Okay, the people are the main source of the India. See, now let's see what are the problems faced by our country. It's not it our duty to know this. Yes, we need to know and also find some solutions to them. Most of them are human made and national emergencies. Hence, the need is to find the reasonable and human solutions. The solutions to be found through good administration, social informations, fast and efficient judiciary. The solutions need to be back to the people support. Let's know more about speech such problems. This is all the main intention of the problems of India. What are the problems we are facing? Okay, how to solve that problem? What are the precautionary measures? What are the eradication methods to solve the problems of India? Okay. See, the next first point is unemployment. The unemployment. What is the meaning of the unemployment? Unemployment is a situation where the person does not find work in accordance to his capacity and qualifications. Okay, what is the meaning of unemployment? Unemployment is a situation where the person does not find work in accordance to his capacity or qualification. That is also called what unemployment. What are the causes of the unemployment? Okay, the overpopulation, improved technology, the shortage of natural resources, over dependency of the agriculture, lack of skill-based education, the shortage of cottage industries, the over dependence of the agriculture. These are all the main causes of the unemployment. What are all the main reasons of the unemployment? See, there are two main important reasons are there. Okay, the overpopulation is one of the main reason of the unemployment, and the use of improved technology also one of the main important the causes of unemployment. Okay, see, for example, unemployment also one of the main problem. Okay, see, for example, because of the second largest country in the world in population growth wise, India. Is it or not? That's what, according to the census of 2011, the poverty rate is 21% 9. Okay. See, for example, the 21% 9. See, so what is the meaning of the poverty? Okay, the poverty, the condition where the people basic needs for food, clothing, and shelter are not being met. This type of condition, nothing but The poverty also one of the main reason of the unemployment. Okay, this one also one of the main causes of the unemployment. See, for example, what is it? See, the unemployment. What are the causes and what are the reasons of the unemployment? See, for example, the government of India and the government of Karnataka and Constitution of India also are providing some eradicational methods. The central and state government have taken to various measures to generate employment opportunity for the people. Okay, see, for example, in the public sector and private sector also, wherever you go. Okay, for example, what are in all countries also unemployment problems also common problem. But the India is the worst condition in unemployment. So what are the causes of the unemployment? Okay, what are the reasons of the unemployment? Second, what are the eradication methods of the unemployment? What are the measures? What are the eradication methods of the what is it? How to solve the unemployment problem? First one, improve the skill level. Okay, improve the skill level. That is also called what world class skill level. Providing loans and subsidies to self-employment. The all nationalized banks, government of India, government of Karnataka also, because the central government and state government also the providing loans and low interest and subsidies to self-employment. Some job-oriented courses also implemented. The pollution controlling programs were implemented. Agricultural development, because of India is the 75% of the farmers are there. The agriculture is the backbone of the India. The agricultural development activities are implemented. Okay, see, encouragement of the cottage industries. Okay, see, for example, the industries are there. There are the different types of industries are there. Different classifications of industries are there. Agro-based industry, mineral-based industry, and forest-based industries. Okay, see, agriculture-based industry nothing but what is the cottage industries. Okay, the small scale industry, cottage industry, large scale industries, very large scale industries also are there in our country. But the encouragement of the, which is the first main motto of the how to solve the unemployment. See, for example, encouragement of the cottage industries also, the industrial development. The India is the third largest country in the world in industrial growth wise. The industrializations, urbanizations, liberalization, privatization, and globalizations also implemented. Okay, then only we are solving the unemployment problem. Okay, these are all the eradication methods. These are all the measures of the how to control the unemployment. Okay, the second slide is what the corruption. What is the meaning of corruption? Okay, see, for example, the corruption is another social evil in the public life in our country. Okay, the corruption also one of the main. This is also corruption is another social level in public life in our country. What is the meaning of corruption? The corruption means what? Misuse of public authority for personal gain. The misuse of public authority for personal gain. This condition is nothing but a corruption. See, for example, in our country, the 20th largest country in the world in corruption wise. Okay, because of it is not so easy. Okay, corruption is very dangerous problem. Okay, see, for example, what is it? The meaning of the corruption means what? Misuse of the public authority for personal gain. Okay, this is also called what the corruption. What are all the forms of corruption? The bribery, nepotism, caste favorism, international student work, the tax evasions and smuggling, cheating, violating of rules and regulations, violating of the constitutions, violating of the law and order because of we are the rules maker, like that only we are the rules breaker like that. Okay, the international exchange, employment cheating, these are all the main forms of the corruption. What are the main forms of the corruption? These are all the main forms of the corruption. For example, the political corruption also is there. Illegal ordering, smuggling, economical offense, the cheating, violence of international exchange, employment cheating. Okay, these are all the main important. What is it? The forms of the corruption. Okay, the misuse of the public authority for personal gain. This type of condition, nothing but corruption. Okay, what are all the measures of how to control the corruption? Especially in there are two important institutions are there in our country, the Lokayukta and the Lokapal. So especially in government of Karnataka, they implemented Lokayukta. Okay, in the year 1985. Okay, the Lok Ayukta department is the very efficient department how to control the corruption. Okay, see for example, especially there are only six states are there in the department of the Lok Ayukta. Okay, so this is the institution of the Karnataka. Okay, how to control the corruption, how to control the corruption activities. Like that only Lokapal. This is also one of the central government institution, the Lokapal. Okay, the international, national level. Okay, for example, the national level, how to control the national level, the corruption activities, the department with the help of Lokapal. Then CCTV cameras in the government offices. These are all the main measures. These are all the main eradication methods of the how to control the corruptions. Awarding harsh punishment. The harsh punishment is very very important. Okay, the increasing the number of courts and judges, increasing the efficiency of the government work, the strong politics and morality. Okay, for example, you must implementation of the moral values, ethical values, and social values. Okay, then only we we are the we should what is control the corruption activities. Okay, the next slide is what the discriminations. What is the meaning of discriminations? Okay, unjust treatment of different categories of people on grounds of race, age, sex, religion, region. Okay, there are three types of discriminations. Are there? For example, what are the main discriminations? Discrimination. What is the meaning of discrimination? See, for example, on the basis of caste, on the basis of religion, on the basis of birth, on the basis of color, on the basis of sex, on the basis of region, on the basis of religion, on the basis of age, on the basis of race. Okay, the caste-based discrimination, birth-based discrimination, color-based discrimination, and region-based discrimination like that. Okay, for us, so many types of discriminations are there. Okay, see for example, what are all the main measures? What are all the main causes of the discrimination? What are the main causes of the discrimination? See, there are three types of discriminations are there: the caste inequality, gender inequality, and regional inequality. What is the meaning of caste inequality? Okay, the division of the society on the basis of caste. The divisions of the society on the basis of caste, nothing but what caste inequality. And like that only gender inequality, the divisions of the society on the basis of gender, and like that only the regional inequality, the divisions of the society on the basis of region. There are three types of discriminations are there. There are three types of inequalities are there. Okay, see for example, what is it? First one, the gender discrimination, caste-based discrimination. Okay, and color-based discrimination. See, for example, what is it? See, for example, in ancient social system based on varna, there are gender discrimination. For example, the caste-based discrimination. See, for example, there are four varnas are there: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Okay, see for example, on the basis of Varna system is there no many measures have been undertaken to the contract and the constitution itself, the constitution of India also, government of India and government of Karnataka also the providing for example, especially for auto eradication of the discrimination system. Okay, like that only, that gender based discrimination. For example, that's what the government declared the women empowerment year 2001. Okay, please, for example, what is it? Men rule the world, but women rule the man. Okay, see, that's what the women. There is no any differentiation between men and women. Okay, there is no any inferiority or superiority complex. There is no any upper and lower strategies of women. Okay, see, for example, like that only that gender based discrimination. See, for example, what is it? For example, what is the government of India has undertaken various measures to providing reservation in education and employment opportunity, especially for women. Okay, see, for example, in the providing reservation in election of the local bodies also, it has reserved 1/3% of the seats in local elections in Karnataka, especially in government of Karnataka. The 50% reservation has been given to women in local body elections. Okay, these are all the main how to effort, how to control the gender-based discriminations. In like that only the regional inequality, where the people of India, is it or not? We are living in the same nation. We are the people of India. We are the Indians. Okay, see, because of we, for example, what is it? The regional inequalities. See, what is the meaning of regional inequality? Regional inequality means but the divisions of the society on the basis of region. This is also called but the regional inequality. Okay, see, for example, what is it? Some regions of country have achieved a lot of progress, is it or not? See, like that only some really regions are underdeveloped regions are there because of Hyderabad, Karnataka region. For example, in Kopla, Raichur, Gulbarga, Bellary. Okay, these are all the main important underdeveloped districts are there in especially in Karnataka. Okay, see for example, how to remove such inequalities of the regional inequalities under the Article 371. Under the Article 371A to J, it will give okay the overall information about okay the for example the backward region. Okay, what are the eradication methods of the development of the backward regions? Okay, some important committees are also are there. See, for example, what is it? The caste and gender discriminations. See, gender regional discrimination, amendment of the Article 371A to J, DM Nanjundappa Committee, Malnadu Development Authority, under the Article 371J, the special status for especially in Hyderabad region, especially in Hyderabad Karnataka region. Okay, this is the meaning of the discriminations. Next concept is what terrorism. Terrorism. Okay, see for example, what is the meaning of terrorism? Terrorism nothing but the fulfilling its narrow end by the creating panic and violence. Okay, this is also called what the terrorism. The terrorism also one of the main important social evil. Okay, this is also one of the very dangerous problem we are facing. Okay, the majority of the terrorism activities done in Arab countries like Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia. Okay, what are all the terrorism activities uh, methods? Okay, see for example, what is it? What are all the methods and terrorists follow? For example, hijacking aeroplane, kidnapping VIP person like president and prime minister for particular countries. Okay, see the terrorism can be is this one. This is also one of the social evil. Okay, see for example, what is the meaning of terrorism? The terrorism is nothing but the fulfilling its narrow and by creating panic and violence. This type of condition, nothing but what terrorism. Okay, see for example, what is it? The anti-national activities. Okay, see for example, see some important anti-national activities in terrorist, especially in bomb blasting, bomb attack in USA. Okay, and for example, what is it in international level and the national levels? Okay, the terrorism is based on the extreme religious sentiments. Okay, the majority of the terrorism activities are done in, for example, what are Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and especially in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Okay, see, for example, in our country also some important target terrorism for many years. For example, in the November 2026, 2007. Okay, the Taj Hotel in Mumbai on November 26, 2007. In Parliament also like in very sensitive areas in our country, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, okay, Buddha Gaya, other important terrorism center places, terrorism noted places. For example, what is it? The terrorism, majority of the terrorism activities states in our country. For example, Assam, Mizoram, okay, Jammu and Kashmir, especially in Andhra Pradesh, Naxalites, especially in Tamil Nadu, Sugar, Tipuragamis. Okay, see for example, Jammu Kashmir, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, in especially in Andhra, especially in Tamil Nadu, especially in Jammu and Kashmir. These are all the main important majority of the terrorism activities state. The majority of the terrorism activities countries in the world, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Okay, the majority of the terrorism activities country. What are all the methods of the terrorist? Okay, the following the methods of the terrorist. For example, the hijacking aeroplanes and the kidnapping. What is it? VIP person like president and prime minister. In a particular country. Okay, these are all the main important concept of the terrorism. What are the effects and measures of the terrorism? What are the effects of the terrorism? The causes. Okay, the causes damage to men and material. It's create fear among the people. It's create psychological pain. Okay, the creating panic and violence influences the cultural aspect of negativity negatively. These are all the main important. Okay, for example, in the very important point of the what is the terrorism. Okay, see, in like that only the measures, the creating the special elite forces, the terrorist task forces, okay, use of the advanced technology, well equipped army, and government. Uh, what is it? The government important terrorist activities, countries like that. Okay, see, for example, what is these are all the main effects and measures of the terrorism. Okay, see, next concept is what the status of women, especially the status of women. The status of women is there, no? The status of women also, this one also one of the main important problems we are all facing. See, for example, what is it? The status of women. The status of women, nothing but what? See, the men rule the world and women rule the men. See, the achievement of the women during the pre-independence in India are notable. For example, what are all the important female achievers in our country? Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, Kittur Rani Chennamma, okay, Annie Besant, Kasturiba Gandhi, Savitri Bapule, she was the first lady teacher in our country. Sarojini Naidu, she was the first lady governor in our country. Okay, see, for example, like that only. See, for example, the Kasturiba, she was the wife of the Mahatma Gandhi ji. Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was the first lady uh, uh, freedom fighter. She is only the first person to implementation of the what is it national what is the national integration and revolutionary ideas. Okay, see, for example, what is these are all they are all the first important the women significance and magnificence personalities in our countries. Okay, see, for example, what is it in now women are present in all walk of the life, medical, teaching, engineering, wherever you go. The first lady teacher, Amitra Bapali, the first woman president of India, Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, the first prime minister of India. Okay, Indira Gandhi, she is only the first lady prime minister. The implementation of the what is it tiller is the owner of soil. The tiller is the owner of soil, like that. See, for example, what is the disorder? The see, now women are present in the different field: medical, teaching, and engineering, pilot, astronomers, and police and political and military and other areas also. Still, the status of women need to lot of implemented. See, for example, see the poverty and the, illiteracy also. The government has started women and children's development program. What are all the main important, especially for what are all the measures, what are all the eradication measures that they take, what are all the measures taken to improve the status of women. Okay, for example, women and children's development department, the women's and children's development department, the providing education, abolition child marriage, dowry prohibition act, C60 program, women's self-help groups, establishing of women commissions. The government has provided reservation for especially for women in education and employment. That 33% of the reservation for election of the local bodies. Okay, see the 50% of the reservation in Karnataka local body elections. Okay, that's 1/3% of these seats and local body and election purpose. These are all the main important uh, what is it eradicational methods. What are the important? What are the measures taken to improve the status of women and the central government and state government also? Okay. See, for example, what is it? What are all the measures of the eradication methods, especially for the women's and children's development department. Okay, the providing education, abolition of the child marriage, dowry prohibition act, C60 program, women's self-help group, establishing the women commission. women empowerment program, women cooperative societies also. Okay, now see these are all the problems we are facing. These are all the educational methods of the what are the measures taken to improve the status of women. See, for example, what is it? See, these are all the main important. For example, what is it? The various competitive formation like the self-help group association in the Women Commission Act. See, these are all the providing some important reservation as the provide the government equipment. Also, say for example, what is it? Some important, magnificent and significant women personalities are there in our country because of Indira Gandhi. She was the first lady Prime Minister of India. Okay, Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. She was the first lady President of India. Okay, see like that. Annie Besant was the first lady Governor General of India. Sarojini Naidu. She was the first lady President of Indian National Congress. Suchitra Kurpulane, she was the first chief minister in our country. Okay, see for example, V.S. Ramadevi, she was the first lady governor in our country. Okay, see for example, see the many women have performed various roles as ambassador, governor, ministers, chief ministers, and many other have in different places also. Okay, see for example, these are all the main important the status of the woman in our country. Okay, the status of the woman also very important. This will see for example, there is no any discrimination at all. The men and the female. There is no any discrimination at all. There are men and female like that. What are the measures? What are the main measures? Okay, main taken to improve the status of women. See for example, these are all the main measures of the status of women. Then what is it? The next concept is what the communalism. See, for example, what is the meaning of the communalism? Okay, so what is the meaning of the communalism? Intolerance towards the people of other religion. Okay, see, for example, the communalism also major problem in our country. Okay, see for example, the community. What is the meaning of communalism? Intolerance toward the people of other religions. See for example, what is it? See, we are living the same nation. We are the people of India. We are the Indians. They are the importance to our religions. See for example, once upon a time, India is the Vishwa Guru. Okay, the for example, my religion. For example, what is the meaning of common religion means? But my religion is great, but other religion is not great. Okay, see, because of my religion is also great, other religions also great. See, for example, in our country, see, for example, national animal is there. Okay, national flower is there, national calendar is there, national game is there, national language is there. Okay, is it national anthem is there, national flag is there, but national religion is not there. Because of all religions also say there is no any discrimination at all. See, for example, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Jainism, Buddhism, all important religions, community peoples also there in our country. That's what. Okay, that's what I'm telling. See, for example, what is it? The communalism also one of the main problem in our country. See, for example, once upon a time, the India become the Vishwa Guru. What is the meaning of communalism? Intolerance towards the people of other religion. Okay, see for example, that means what? My religion is great, the religion is not great. Okay, see for example, we are the people of India. We are living the same nation. We are the people of India. We are the same. We are the Indians. But we talk different types of language, different types of dress, we follow different types of tradition. We eat different types of food. But we are the people of India, but not especially I am the superior, I am the inferior, I am the upper, I am the lower. Okay, there is no any discrimination at any religion. Okay, the 75% of the Hindu religion community peoples are there in our country, but the Hindu religion is not a national religion. Okay, but Muslims also are there, Christians also are there, Jainism, Buddhism, all religion peoples also living together only. That's what the India is the once upon a time at present also like Vishwa Guru. That's what the first largest country in the world in culture wise. Okay, see for example, for example, what is it? The what are all the causes of the communalism? Okay, see what are the causes of the communalism? It creates hatred. Okay, see, for example, it's create hatred, then break unity and integrity of the nation. The communalism is there. No, see, for example, this is also one of the main the damage problem in our country. For example, the implementation of a sense of uniformity and the feeling of oneness, the unity in the diversity. Okay, how to implementation of the unity in the diversity, how to implementation of the so what is that, the feeling of oneness and the uniformity. Okay, for example, the communalism is only the main causes of the damage of what is that the breaks unity and integrity of the nation. Okay, see, for example, the communism not at all good concept. Okay, see, for example, the communism is not at all good concept because of in the communalism, for example, we are facing so many problems like that. Okay, see, for example, what is it like that only the communalism also one of the main social evil. See, for example, how communalism fatal to national unity because of this all the main reasons. It create hatred, break unity and the integrity of the nation, create a mutual suspension of the fear, okay, disturb the peace of the society, disturb the peace of the society, destroy the public and private property. It's lead to the physical conflict. Okay, see, for example, psychologically damage also. These are all the main causes of the communalism. What are all the measures of the communalism? Uniform civil code. For example, for there is no any restriction at all. There is no any differentiation at all. Hinduism and Muslimism like that. You must treat each and every religion also same. Okay, see, for example, Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, all religions also together. Okay, see, for that's what the uniform civil code must be implemented. Then only we are all facing the what is it the communism problem. No, then only we are solve that problem. Okay, the equality among the citizen, the sense of uniformity, the feeling of oneness, unity in the diversity according to the Constitution of India. Also, the equality among the citizens, also equality among the citizen, the right to equality. Okay, see, for example, the equality among the citizen, the supporting secular values in our society. The secular means what? What is the meaning of secular? In our India is the secular state. What are all the silent features of Indian Constitution? The secularism also one of the main silent feature of Indian Constitution. Okay, see, the secularism means what? We talk different types of flag, we wear different types of dress, we follow different types of tradition, we eat different types of food, but we are all Indians. That is also called what, the sense of uniformity, the feeling of oneness. This is only the right way to implementation of the national integration and international integrations. Okay, next, developing healthy national thoughts. See, for example, what are the main important healthy national thoughts? First, we are living in the same nation. We are the people of India. We are the Indians. We are the people of Indians. See, they are importance to our religion. See, for example, my religion is great, but other religion is not great. My religion is also great, but other religions also great. See, for example, my religion is good, other religion is not good. We should think about first our nation. Okay, then about our caste, religion, family. Okay, see, next, for example, the first we should think our nation only. Okay, this is only the developing healthy national thoughts. Okay, see, economic and social equality. See, for example, economic and social equality also one of the main important measures, educational methods of the how to control that. What is it, communism? The foster and faith of all people. The faith of we are the people of India. Okay, see, for example, the foster and faith of all people. These are all the main important eradicational methods of the how to control the communalism. Okay, the communalism also one of the main important social evils. Okay, see, for example, what are the problems we are facing? See, for example, the main important problems in our country. See, for example, what is it? Unemployment also one of the main problem. Discrimination, communism, corruption, terrorism, status of women, and for example, these are all the main important problems we are facing. Okay, see, for example, that's what I'm telling. See, for example, important. See, the terrorism is there. No, the terrorism also very important and very dangerous problem in our country. Say, for example, what is it? Especially in Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi did not. For example, what is it in? For example, some important mm, significance and magnificence also. Readers also in the terrorism. Okay, so for example, these are all the main important measures. These are all the main problems of the uh, uh, India. Okay, how to solve this problem? What are the important eradication methods in our country? Okay, see for example, what is it? This is the now this is the problems of India and their solutions. Okay, thank you so much for the cooperation. Okay, thank you, one and all.